All right. What do you say, about an hour in?
I don't know.
About an hour and a half in. And we can ready to get this frame off of here. Got it broken down. Got all the parts to it laid out. You know, this is what we gotta do. We gotta get this on here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see, let me get this light on. That crack goes all the way around from one side clean to the other. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. I hope it's coming through on the camera. Wow. We just about got it done. Me and Tom in here spinning these wrenches. Woo. Trying not to fall. Got us a whole battery on the ground there. Yeah, we're about to get this mated with that. Then we're gonna put it all back together, clean it up, send it on down to Myrtle Beach, man. Y'all know what time it is. Oh man, okay, so all right, we got the frame off and it broke on the way out, which you guys probably saw. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Unicycle racing, baby.
Unicycle racing. Yep. That's right.
And they got some more.
And he got them 14-inch me hooks on there. All right, so here it is. We got it broken down. We got the frame off. The new frame's getting ready to go on. We gotta take apart the top tree and then we'll be putting this thing back together. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. That's how much fun we're having out here. We look, y'all did it. Y'all been following us. Y'all been supporting us, so we trying to give back to y'all. We thank you guys. We about to take this apart and put this part back together.
A few moments later.
Woo! Man, it's a little bit of work, but you know, your boy Bike Doc Socks here. It don't matter what bike I'm working on, you already know we got the new frame on, bike's back together. I'm tightening up all the wires. I only got a little bit left to do on this bike, and trust and believe you will see this thing in traffic down in Myrtle Beach, because it's gonna be up out of here. It ain't gonna be in the shop. Trust and believe, it's not gonna be here. This joint came in today and it's going out in the morning.
.28 a.m.
Well, here she is. 2014 Victory Cross Country. Done up here at Power Curve Motorsports. We got the good big bag of air system on here, front and rear. LED lights, tour pack. Customer needed a custom graphics put on. We got the rear seat in there. We got the new frame in. No more broken frame. We went and tucked the wires away all neatly. Currently we relocated the horn on the side of the battery here because it was touching the fender when you air the bike out. Got that all squared away. Just like the sport bikes, man. This one here about to be out in traffic. Just in time for Myrtle Beach. I got 3 more I gotta drop out here before Tuesday. See y'all in the next video. I got some more work to do because I am beat.
6.5 hours later.